Hi, welcome to Parametric House. In this Grasshopper script, you can use a simple box and convert it into a polar array brick wall. As you can see here, the selection of the edge, if I select here the B-rep, which is going to be the box, and if I zoom in here, you can see that by selecting different edges, it's going to select one of the four edges you have on the ground. So as you can see here, the 0 is going to be this edge, 1 is going to be this one, 2 is this one, and 3 is this one. So you can change that by just changing the edge input. There is a flip input which you can change to true. It's going to extrude it inwards for the brick, but obviously the false is going to be the default option. The count is for the minimum is like 3 because you can put them on a triangle, obviously. And as you can see here, the next row is going to sit on the mid of those below them. So here you can see that it's going to move up, rotate, which I'm going to explain as we go forward. There is also a row input, so you can say 1, 2, 3, 3 rows and control that. So actually, this polar brick tool is going to help you to design anything with a box. As you can see here, just change the box and the output is going to be updated. I can make that bigger, smaller, and that's the good thing because it's going to make it a polygon. There's also an example file in this zip folder which I'm going to explain step by step what's going to happen in the algorithm. At the first step, we have a B-rep input, which is going to be the box we have put here. Let me also make the Grasshopper parts a little bit bigger so we can see what's happening here. What we want to do is to orient them around a polygon. First, deconstruct the B-rep, and by finding the area of the faces, we can actually select the surface at the bottom. The reason I'm doing this part is to have algorithm to select each of these 4 edges at the bottom. So what we can do here is to deconstruct the box, find the centroid of each of these faces, deconstruct it using a deconstruct point, and extract the Z. So if we sort this Z from the smallest to biggest, obviously this is going to be at the bottom. And then we can also sort, when we sort that Z, we're also going to sort all of those faces. Then we're going to pick the first face, which is going to be the one with the lowest Z. That is exactly what we want, which is on the ground. Then we can deconstruct it, and from the 4 segments or 4 edges at the bottom, we can select one of them. So let's just assume that we have selected this edge.